Bonjour Patrick, bonjour Cathy, bonjour tout le monde. Mais me voilà avec ma tasse de café de Charlotte. Vous voyez, c'est marqué dessus. Well, we're still enough to read Tintin in America. But before we start, I would like you to look at the picture behind me. This is my garden now. I'm so proud. It's full of flowers. It's still very cold in Belgium, but there are flowers everywhere in the garden. So, well, enjoy my flowers. So we had Tintin on a horse, Tintin and Milou. And so they said in this first picture that they would have to camp. Il va falloir, we will have to s'arrêter, to stop and camp. This one we read already, so the next one. Arrêtons-nous ici. Let's stop here. So they're making a campfire. Demain matin, dès l'aube, nous nous remettrons en route. There it stops. So tomorrow morning, dès l'aube, l'aube is dawn, the daybreak. So at daybreak, we will put ourselves on the road. Il ne faut pas que ce scélérat nous échappe. Well, this expression il faut or il ne faut pas really means it should or it shouldn't. So this scoundrel, scélérat, this scoundrel shouldn't escape to us. Good. Well, here you have the scoundrel. He's also making a fire. Voilà bien ma veine. This is just my luck. Ma veine. Veine means luck, lucky to be lucky. Il faut coûte que coûte retrouver cette hache de guerre. We should cost what cost. So by all means, coûte que coûte, find the war hatchet. Sinon, Tintin sera ici demain. Otherwise, Tintin will be here tomorrow. Et je devrais de nouveau prendre la fuite. And I will have to. De nouveau means again. Prendre la fuite means to flee. I will have to flee again. Voici le jour. Well, here comes the day. En avant, let's go, mon vieux Milou, my old Milou. Déjà? Already? Eh bien, well. Hélas, les pieds noirs n'ont toujours pas retrouvé leur hache de guerre. Too bad. The Blackfeet have still not. So the word toujours means always, but it also means still. So they still have not retrouvé, found back their war hatchet. Et alors? And then? Alors? Then? C'est bien simple. It's very simple. Les pieds noirs ne peuvent évidemment pas partir en guerre contre le visage pâle. The Blackfeet cannot evidently partir, leave to war against the pale skin. Le visage pale, visage pâle, it's pale skin. Tonnerre, thunder, it means, well, how should I translate tonnerre? Too bad. Au diable les peaux rouges. To hell the redskins. Fuyons donc, let's flee, puisqu'ils ne veulent pas se battre. Because they don't want to fight. Se battre is to fight. And here is tripping over. Oh, la hache. The hatchet. There it was, hidden in the grass. Notre hache est retrouvée. Our hatchet has been found. Le grand Manitou veut la guerre. The grand Manitou wants war. Voilà une heureuse chute. Well, this was a happy crash, a happy fall. Grand Manitou, donne la victoire à tes guerriers. Give the victory to your warriors. En avant, let's go. Aux chevaux, to the horses. Mort au visage pâle. Death to the pale skin. And we are on page 21 and there are on their horses going to fight. Tiens, voilà des Indiens. Hey, there you have the Indians. Eh bien, well, Milou, si je ne savais pas que de nos jours les peaux rouges sont pacifiques, je ne me sentirais pas rassurée. So, Milou, if I didn't know, je ne savais pas, I didn't know, that in our days, the Redskins are peaceful, I would not feel reassured. Moi, j'ai peur, Tintin. I am scared, Tintin. Eh bien, well, en voilà une curieuse façon de souhaiter la bienvenue aux étrangers. And there you have a curious way to wish la bienvenue, welcome to strangers. They're taking Tintin away, you see him here, and there is Milou. Enfin, les voilà partis, ces sauvages. Finally, there they are gone, these savages or those wild people. Dieu, que j'ai eu peur. God, what was I scared. Milou, tu n'as pas été chic. Milou, you have not been great. Tu as abandonné Tintin. You have abandoned Tintin. Quelle curieuse coutume, vraiment. What a curious habit, really. So Tintin, he still doesn't know they're against him. Le visage pâle n'a pas un cœur de squaw. Il est calme et souriant. The white skin doesn't have un cœur, a heart of a squaw. He is calm and smiling. Nous verrons ça tout à l'heure. We will see that later. Tu n'es qu'un poltron, Milou. You are just a coward, Milou. Qui sait? Who knows? Tintin est peut-être en danger. Tintin is maybe in danger. Oh visage pâle, oh pale skin, tu es venu vers les pieds noirs avec un cœur plein de ruse et de haine. You have come to the Blackfeet with a heart full of deceit and hatred. Pareil au lâche loup de la prairie. Exactly like the coward prairie wolf. Mais te voilà maintenant attaché au poteau de torture. But here you are now attached to the stake of torture. Et de longs supplices vont te faire payer cher ta perfidie. And long punishments are going to make you pay your treachery, ta perfidie, your treachery. Que me chante-t-il là? What is he singing there? What is he saying there? Et maintenant que mes jeunes guerriers exercent leur adresse sur ce visage pâle au cœur de coyote. And now that my young warriors exercise their skills on the pale skin with a heart of a coyote. Et qu'il le fasse souffrir longtemps avant de l'envoyer dans les ténèbres de la mort. And that they make him suffer a long time before sending him to the shadows of the death. Mais il est fou, but he's crazy. Le Sachem a bien parlé. The Sachem has well spoken. Clack! Oh my God, now Tintin, he's surprised. Sachem, cette petite plaisanterie a assez duré. Sachem, this small joke has lasted long enough. Détachez-moi, untie me, et laissez-moi aller, and let me go. Le visage pâle s'est commandé. The pale skin knows how to give orders. Mais par le grand Manitou, but by the grand Manitou, les pieds noirs ne sont pas ses chiens. The Blackfeet are not his dogs. Le visage pâle mourra. The pale skin will die. J'ai dit, I have spoken. And what does Tintin have in his hands? Boule de résine. Resin balls, resin buds. Oh, j'ai une idée. Oh, I have an idea. You see, he's trying to throw them. Plop! Oh, une catapulte. Oh, a catapult. Ça prend. It's working. So he thinks it's the little boy here. Voilà, sale papouze. There you go, dirty kid. Et si je t'y prends encore à me lancer quelque chose avec ta catapulte, je te scalpe. And if I take you again to throw things at me with your catapult, I scalp you. Quelle audace! What an audacity! Oser ainsi traiter notre grand sachem, la taupe au regard perçant. To dare, oser is to dare, to treat like this our grand sachem, the mole with the piercing sight. Quel vilain petit papouze! What a small villain, small kid. What a small bad kid. Et que je ne te vois plus avant 3 lunes, gardement. And that I don't see you anymore before 3 moons, naughty boy. Plop. On ne devrait pas laisser les papouses jouer avec les catapultes. We should not let the kids play with the catapults. Par le grand Wakanda, by the grand Wakanda. Toi aussi, you also, tu oses manquer de respect à la taupe au regard perçant. You dare to disrespect, manquer de respect. I will translate by disrespect, the mole with the piercing eyes. Moi? Me? Oui, toi. Yes, you. Le sachem a frappé mon frère. The sachem has hit my brother. Et le bison flegmatique n'avait cependant commis aucun crime. And the phlegmatic bison hadn't committed any crime. I think they're going to fight all together. So we are on page 23, and yes, you see this is what's happening. They're all fighting. Ça va, that's okay, qu'ils se battent, let them fight. Pendant ce temps-là, moi, j'en profite pour desserrer mes liens. During that time, I will profiter. Here it's like take advantage of the fact, take advantage of the time to undo my ties. Ça y est, mes mains sont libres. There it is, my hands are free. Mes pieds maintenant. My feet now. Voilà, filons. There it is, let's run. Et à présent, il s'agit de savoir qui a excité les pieds noirs contre moi. And now, it's all about knowing, finding out who stirred up the Blackfeet against me. Ne serait-ce pas le bandit que je poursuis? Wouldn't it be the bandit, the scoundrel that I am following? Les cris et les clameurs ont cessé. The screams and the clamors have stopped. Le supplice doit être terminé. The punishment must have stopped. Je vais aller voir. I'm going to have a look. Tonnerre, là-bas, oh my God, over there, il s'enfuit. He's fleeing. Et il a knock-outé toute la tribu. He has knocked out the whole tribe. Quel type, what a guy. C'est invraisemblable. It's incredible. So he thinks that Tintin beat them all. Going to shoot. Ça y est, ils sont à mes trousses. Oh my God, they're on my heels. Oh, un coup de feu, a shot, pourvu qu'il ne soit pas arrivé malheur à Tintin, hoping that there is not any malheur, bad luck to Tintin. Non, ce ne sont pas les Indiens. No, these are not the Indians. C'est mon bandit. It's my bandit. It's my scoundrel. Je m'en doutais. That's what I thought. Je comprends à présent l'hostilité des Indiens à mon égard. I understand now the hostility of the Indians towards me. Aïe, il me vise encore. Aïe, he's still shooting at me. He's still aiming at me. Viser is to aim. And then he falls. Tonnerre, quelle chute! Oh my God, what a crash! Ce canyon a au moins 300 mètres de profondeur. This canyon has at least 300 meters of depth. On en distingue à peine le fond. One can barely distinguish the bottom. Vite, vite, il faut sauver Tintin. Quick, quick. I should save Tintin. Voilà qui est réglé. That's done. Ce petit blanc-bec ne me mettra plus jamais des bâtons dans les roues. This white beak will not ever, jamais, put again sticks in my wheels. Que regarde-t-il? What is he looking at? J'ai peur de comprendre. I'm scared to understand. Tintin serait-il tombé dans ce précipice? Tintin, would he have fallen from this cliff? Et maintenant, retournons à Chicago. And now, let's go back to Chicago. Wow, wow, wow! Ah, mais c'est le chien de Tintin! Ah, but that is the dog of Tintin. Envoyons-le rejoindre son maître. Let's send him to join his master. Oh, woo! Oh, poor Milou, he's falling also. Here in a bush, in a tree, and then, oh, look at that. He is with Tintin. Eh bien, Milou, well, Milou, il me semble que tu as suivi le même chemin que moi. It seems that you have followed the same road as me. Moi aussi, je suis tombée dans le vide. Me too. I have fallen into the gap. I've fallen in the gap. Heureusement, j'ai pu m'accrocher à cet arbuste. Luckily, I have been able to catch or to hook on this bush. Il a plié sous mon poids. It has bent under my weight. A décrit un arc de cercle, then made an arc, like half a circle, et m'a lâché and dropped me. Je suis tombée ici. I fell over here, sur cette plateforme, on this platform, au lieu d'aller m'écraser au fond de ce précipice, instead of going to crash down at the bottom of this cliff. Eh bien, ça c'est de la veine. Well, well, that is really being lucky. Nous ne sommes d'ailleurs sauvés que momentanément. We are, by the way, saved only momentarily. Car je ne vois vraiment pas comment nous pourrons jamais sortir d'ici. Because I don't see really how we could ever get out of here. Que renifles-tu là, mon vieux Milou? What are you sniffing there, my old Milou? Aurais-tu trouvé quelque chose? Should you have found something? Ça, par exemple. Ça, par exemple. No, you don't say in English, par exemple. Well, well, what is that? Voilà qui est drôle. This is funny. On dirait une galerie. You would think a tunnel. Et si nous essayions de la suivre? And if we tried to follow it? So they go into the tunnel. Allons-y, let's go. Où va-t-on? Where are we going? Fais bien attention, Milou. Watch out, Milou. Pas d'imprudence. Don't be reckless. Ça monte de plus en plus. It's going up more and more. Où cela va-t-il nous mener? Where is that going to lead us? Une grande caverne décorée de dessins indiens. A big cavern decorated with Indian drawings. C'est probablement dans cette grotte que se réunissaient les pieds noirs lorsqu'ils étaient traqués par leurs ennemis. It is probably in this grotto that the Blackfeet reunited when they were tracked down by their enemies. They were like followed by their enemies. Et voilà l'autre issue. And here we have the other exit. Ça monte toujours. It's going up. It's still going up. Remember, toujours is always, but also still. Où cette galerie va-t-elle nous conduire? Where this tunnel will lead us? Ah, voilà que cela descend maintenant. Ah, see here, it descend, it goes down now. Et voilà que cela remonte de nouveau brusquement. And here it goes up again, all at once. Me voilà enfin débarrassé de ce damné petit reporter. Here I am finally rid of this damned small reporter. Et maintenant, avant de nous mettre en route, mangeons un petit morceau. And now, before putting ourselves on the road, before leaving, let's eat a small bit. Bon appétit, mon cher Tintin. Bon appétit, my dear Tintin. Voilà qui est étrange. This is really strange. Il doit y avoir un tremblement de terre. There must be a earthquake. Terre, earth, tremblement, quake. Le sol vibre sous moi. The ground is vibrating under me. So he's tripping over. Oh, que c'est lourd. Oh, this is heavy. And there is Tintin and Milou. Okay, really nice for today. I'm going to finish my coffee, have another look at my beautiful garden. I'm really proud of it. I hope to see you next week. We're still enough people to read, so I hope we will be able to finish Tintin. Très, très bonne journée. À la semaine prochaine. Au revoir.